In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate root and square using Power and SQRT in Excel. We'll be working inside an Excel workbook and using two simple functions to do the math for us. This is a great way to save time, avoid manual calculation mistakes, and quickly apply the same formula to multiple values. Start by opening the Excel workbook where you want to calculate squares and square roots. Once your file is open, make sure you have some sample numbers ready to work with. In this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through A4. Having your values organized in one column makes it easier to build formulas and copy them down later. Next, we'll calculate the square of a number using the power function. Click cell B1 and type square. This will serve as your column header so you can clearly identify the results. Then click cell B2 in that cell, type an equal sign, followed by power, then an opening parenthesis, A2, a comma, the number 2 and a closing parenthesis. The formula should calculate the value in A2 raised to the power of 2. Press enter to confirm it. You should now see the result appear in B2. For example, if A2 contains the number 4, Excel will return 16 because 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. The power function is useful whenever you want to raise a number to a specific exponent, and for squaring the exponent is simply 2. Now let's calculate the square root using the SQRT function. Click cell C1 and type square root. This creates a clear label for the next set of results. After that, click cell C2, type an equal sign followed by SQRT, then an opening parenthesis, A2 and a closing parenthesis. Press enter. Excel will immediately return the square root of the value in A2. If A2 contains 4, the result will be 2. This function is especially handy when you need the principal square root of a number without doing the calculation yourself. Once both formulas are working, you can apply them to the rest of your data. Select cells B2 through C2, then drag the fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection, down to row 4. Excel will automatically copy the formulas and adjust the cell references for each row. And that's it. You now know how to calculate squares with Power and square roots with SQRT in Excel, and how to fill those formulas down for the rest of your data.